Novitec N-Largo F12 Superfast is here, and it's every bit as crazy as you would imagine. You just have to take a listen to the sound from this V12 and you'll be wrapped up in the insanity of it. With a full widebody kit, and one of the loudest exhausts I've ever heard, join me for an exclusive first look and onboard ride in the F12 N-Largo. The N-Largo models that Novitec produce follow a very distinct style, wide and crazy in every possible way. In this case, the F12 Superfast sits lower while being significantly wider at the rear and even at the front too. Not only that, but the new bodywork carries the wildest of designs possible, with some cues inspired from the previous F12 N-Largo. Also fitted is a visible carbon wing, the N-Tronic box to raise the power, new Vossen NF10 NL wheels, and an exhaust system that literally shakes through you. The 6.5L naturally aspirated V12 as standard makes 800 horsepower and 718 Nm, and in this case now makes 840 horsepower and 751 Nm. Those gains mean a 0 to 100 km/h time of just 2.8 seconds and up to 345
Thank you for watching,
km/h.
and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Subscribe to Auto TV.